Everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from PayPal to your linked bank account using the PayPal mobile app. Transferring money is quick and easy, and you have a couple of options when starting the transfer. You can transfer for free, which takes a couple of days, or you can transfer instantly and pay a small fee. Before we transfer money out of PayPal, we have to link a bank account or card. To do this, from the main screen, tap the wallet icon on the bottom right. Here we see our PayPal balance, and underneath of that you see the accounts that I already have linked. But assuming that you've never linked an account before, tap Add Banks and Cards at the top. Next, tap the type that you want to add to your wallet. We'll choose Banks. From here, choose or search the bank that you use, and follow through the steps to link and add your account. Each one's a little different and you'll need your account login. Once you're finished, you'll see your account at the bottom in your wallet. Now to transfer your money from PayPal, tap your balance. At the bottom of the screen, choose Transfer and then Transfer Money. You'll then get the two options that PayPal gives you. You can transfer for free, but this takes 1 to 3 days to process. If that doesn't matter, then choose the option and then make sure the account is chosen that you want to transfer to. When you're ready, hit Transfer Now at the bottom. But since we want to transfer instantly, we'll choose the first option and choose the account to transfer to. You'll see that there is a small fee to do this, which for the small amount that I have in here is only 25 cents. Currently, the fee is 1.5% with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $15. Once you're ready, again tap Transfer at the bottom and you'll start the transfer process to your bank account. And that's how you transfer money instantly from PayPal to your bank account. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.